How to send Monopoly Go link on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, open Monopoly Go on your phone. Okay, here we go. Now at the bottom right corner, you can see the option of Friends. Okay, tap on it. Now after tapping on it, you'll come across this page. Now at the bottom, you can see the option of Contacts, Facebook or Invite. Tap on Invite here. Okay, now just tap on the screen. Okay, now you can see two of the options. First of all, tap on Facebook Invite. Just tap on Open. Then your messenger will open and then you can send this Monopoly Go link to any of your friends on Facebook. Now, if you try out the another method, which is tapping on Invite on Monopoly Go, then you can also copy the link and directly post this link to your Facebook profile or share this link to your friends on other social media platforms as well. So that was all for today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.